Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today's episode, we're going to look at removing this damaged and faulty wing mirror from the Renault Clio Mk3 and replace it with the cheapest option I could find on the internet. I had a slight collision with the oncoming car. The car crossed the white line, hit into my mirror, and as a result, damaged this. The blue cover is mostly in one piece, apart from the inside, the bracket snapped. The bracket snapped up here, and it's a bit tatty. It did obviously scuff across the floor quite a bit. I've covered it in tape to hold it together, but now I have ordered and received a replacement part, so it's time for this old unit to go. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how. The new part has a grey cover, so this is primed, ready to be painted. I have someone to sort that for me. And this unit here was $39.99 from eBay. It's a pretty much direct replacement, as you can see. Has all the electrics in it as well, and the electric function on this is only the mirror to move. It comes with a glass as well, and no heated controls in this, so it makes it a little bit easier to replace. So first of all, to get access to the back of the mirror, this piece of trim comes off. Now I have loosened it previously, so that will just wiggle off. There we go. It's held on by 3 little retaining pins, and they locate into holes number 1, 2 and 3. Little waterproof liner pulls back, and inside here, which I've already had a little play at, there's 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and 1 bolt there. Now these are 8mm heads with a Torx head in the middle, and they're a threaded screw. So with those 3 undone, the mirror is held on by a few clips and a wire. Take hold of the mirror, wiggle it off, and on the genuine ones they've got 1 little clip at the top, which is this little angled clip, and that sort of locates, and that's now off. We have a push wire, so it pushes in my finger and then disconnects, and that is the mirror off. That then frees up all this area. I'm going to give it a quick wipe before I put it on to get rid of some of this road grime and shite, and be ready for the receival of the new unit. So with the new unit, you have 3 little locating pins. Now these are the back of the screws as well, and they locate, you can see, 1 through the middle of the hole, 1 in the top and 1 on the side. Before it goes on, make sure your electrics are attached. It's a little bit difficult one-handed, and this is just push fit, hit the clip, and that's done. Get the holes aligned, as you can see, right there. And that's now held on in place. So what I'll do is I'm just going to let the camera down a second, put the top screw in, and then put the other 2 in as well. They don't have to be super tight. Once they get a bit of resistance in them, you can literally use 1 finger. That is more than tight enough. Just put a small bit of tape over this grip. The rest of it is pretty much stuck down. When the trim goes on, it will stick down fully. Next to go on, the last piece of the puzzle is this. You can see it has been previously repaired with a glue. That trim literally just fits into 3 holes, 3 pins, 3 holes, and push it into shape. Job. Perfect. One thing I probably should have checked, making sure that the mirror moves, and it does. So we've got left and right, I'll go up Well, that's the new mirror fitted. Looking much better. But once the trim is painted, it's going to look a hell of a lot better again. Right, here we go. My painter has done an amazing job. Look at that! So yes, I'm going to have a painted cover. So I'm going to fit it now. I have a locating pin this side which slides in, and the other cap slide in as well. So basically you're going to fold the mirror in, put the cap on like so, and then basically slide it up. Clicks on, wind it around. Look at that. How amazing is that? I've got a fixed mirror. Now obviously it'd be much easier doing this with both hands and not having one hand on your phone, but I think that looks much better than the gaffer tape and duct tape and cracks and damage it had before. So yeah, that is how to replace the wing mirrors on your vehicle. Nice simple fix. As I say, it's £30 for the complete unit with all the electrics, was £14 just for the cover. But seeing as the condition of the other one, as you see, it was pretty broken and cracked and all sorts, and I'm much happier that I've paid £30, so the next owner is going to have a nicer mirror. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, as always, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. This is another quick fix done. On to the next. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.